Okay, let's answer one more of radical function, but now look, we have a negative sign outside our radical, so it's going to change a little bit. Again, I read all that review. We have four options. When the sign outside that radical is positive, we have that is if inside of that radical is positive, it's going to open upwards, rightwards. And if it's inside negative, then it's going to be upwards, leftwards. Also, again, if you have a negative sign outside, so it's going to be outside, positive, inside, outside negative, inside positive, so it's going to open downwards, rightwards. And if you have negative outside, negative inside, then it's going to be downwards, but leftwards. Also, I wrote the domain and range values. Okay, so now we have a b value that because of it, we need to factorize our function. So I'm going to start here. It's going to be f of x equals minus 6x plus 12 plus 1. What do you need to do? In order to find the vertex, you need to leave or factorize your x. So the 6 is going to be outside and x is going to be inside. But because of this, you need to remember that you need to divide 12 divided by 6 and write it here. Plus 12 divided by plus 6 is going to be 2 plus 1. If we have parentheses, we have standard form. If we don't have parentheses, we have general form. So with these two, we may find your A, B, H, and K values. A is outside, minus 1. B is inside, this one, 6. H is inside our parentheses, and because of the sign of the form, it's going to be minus 2. We need to change the sign of H. And then K, that is plus 1. With this information, you have now the vertex, that is minus 2, comma, plus 1. Sorry about this. I have a minus 1 here. Let me change this one. It's going to be the same. Well, it's not going to be the same, but it will change a little bit. So, first of all, what you need to do is to write domain and range. You need to find out whether you have minus outside, so you have one of these two options, and positive inside, so it's going to be this one, that it will open downwards, rightwards. So my minus 2, comma, plus 1, it's going to be here. And because of this, now my shape is going to be like this, something like this. So I'm going to have x-intercept and y-intercept. So I need to find them. Now, domain and range. I know that it's going to be like this, so my domain and range are going to be these ones. So it's bracket h, when h is minus 2, comma, infinite. And k, that is minus infinite, comma, k, and k is plus 1. So let's find the x-intercept. X-intercept is when y equals 0. So y equals 0, that means that f of x is 0 minus radical of 6x plus 12 plus 1. Here's going to be plus 1. I need to move it, and it's going to be minus 1 equals minus radical of 6x plus 12. Then this minus is a minus 1. Minus 1 divided by minus 1, I just need to change the sign. It's going to be 1 radical of 6x plus 12. The way to cancel the square root is to elevate this one to the second. That in this case is going to be 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 6x plus 12. Then I move the 12. Minus 12 plus 1 equals 6x. And then it's minus 11 equals 6x. Minus 11, 6 equals x. Remember to check your answer. I'm going to do it here. Check. So it's going to be 0 equals minus 6, radical of minus 11, 6 plus 12 plus 1. So 0 equals, I cancel the 6 and I will have minus 11 plus 12 plus 1. Minus 11 plus 12 is 1. So 0 equals minus 1 plus 1. And minus 1 plus 1 is 0 equals 0. So I check it and I have it correct. So it's minus 11, 6, comma 0. And then my y-intercept. My y-intercept is when x equals 0. So y equals minus 6 times 0 plus 12 plus 1. 6 times 0 is 0, so it's minus radical of 12 plus 1. And minus radical of 12 plus 1 is minus y equals minus 2.46. I don't need to check this one. I just need to write it. 0, comma, minus 2.46. So my y-intercept is minus 11, 6. That is almost 2. So it's going to be here. And this is minus 2, comma 1. My y-intercept is going to be minus 2.46. So it's 0, comma, minus 2.46. And I have it all. I just join the dots and write my function. F of x is minus 6x plus 12 plus 1. And you finish.